Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is May I Scraplift You, and we are scrapjacking JoJo Kelly today. Now, I have actually met JoJo in person. I have scrapped with her multiple times, and she is super fun person to be around. So this is the layout that I picked. It is a 3-photo layout that spans across the entire 12 by 12 length of the page. You guys know I am here for those kind of layouts. I'm going to be doing Star Wars storage. You might be looking at these and being like, okay, weirdo, but you know, these are things I want to document from Star Wars land, so I'm going to document them. So here are the photos. Here is the layout that I am jacking. I've got my never-ending kit, and we're gonna magical May it up with some Disney stuff. So let's see what I can do. All right, guys, so I have this really kind of bold pattern paper. Well, it's a little bold and it's a little pastel. There's a mix, right? So I've got those down, and instead of using the blocks of paper that JoJo has used with the banners, I am just going to treat this as how I am going to have the background to the layout. Okay, that was a really long, convoluted sentence, but basically I'm not cutting papers into banners. I'm going to be lazy and use this paper that has the stripes on it already. Now, I do think it is perfectly acceptable to be a lazy scrapbooker sometimes, and I think it is perfectly acceptable to do a layout that takes you hours plus, right? And I like a mixture of them. My sweet spot is right around a half an hour to complete a layout, but and what I mean by sweet spot is that's about how long I want to take to create a layout most of the time. You know what I mean? Do you have a sweet spot? Like, do you have a sweet spot for you when you're creating layouts? Are you like, man, I'm good if I'm an hour or less? Are you like, no, I'm quick and easy and I want to be done in 10 minutes or less? Like, what's your sweet spot? Mine, I would say mine's about a half an hour, right? Sometimes more, sometimes less. There we go. I think I've said that like 6 times now, but it's fine, you guys. It's totally fine. Now, JoJo does have some embellishments on her layout here, and I definitely want to like give the nod to it. Okay, she has this is actually a 2-pager that she did, but I'm only scrap lifting one side. So she has elements and die cuts and things like that. Her embellishments are on a diagonal. So I am putting my embellishments on a diagonal as well. Now she has some labels on hers. I've decided that I'm going to go with this frame. And then I even pull out a Star Wars sticker and get myself a cute little R2-D2 and some porgs onto this layout here, and you'll notice I said the cute little R2-D2 and just called the other ones porgs. I'm not totally in love with the porgs. I don't think that they're like, oh my goodness, they're so cute. Like I don't have that reaction. But I love me some R2-D2. I even have an R2-D2 artwork. So there is that. I have a lot of Disney art that I like, and you know, R2-D2 is now part of that, so here we are. But the porgs, I just didn't go gaga over the porgs. Like I know some people really love the porgs and think they're adorable. I just didn't. I like R2-D2 a little bit better. But anyway, he has a porg with him, so I put a porg up top. I also use this rocket ship from, I think it was Starshine from Chamel, that's kind of been in my stash for a hot moment. That's even longer than a hot minute, you guys. Just because I have been hanging on to it and I wanted to use it on a Disney layout, and it's on this Disney layout. So like I think I said in the intro, these are kind of like the storage areas in Star Wars Land, and some of them are in the queue getting up to the Millennium Falcon, and I just think that it was cool, so I took the picture of it. I am trying to get some more embellishment on this page, right? Like just a little bit more to add some fun and excitement, I guess. JoJo's clusters are not very large, so that makes it easy to kind of jack that idea, meaning that I don't have to fill my clusters. I do put some things on here though. I am trying to use this sticker sheet up right here, and I thought it would be kind of easy to use up, because you know there's things like the little pointy arrows and circles with colors and things like that, and I thought it would be super easy to get it used up, but it's not as easy as I thought. Now I could have done these half circles here instead of the humper border sticker. That is one way to use them up. Don't know if it would have gone all the way across though. Don't know. But I want to get the sticker sheet used and gone. I think that there are stickers on it that just aren't going to last for me. Like that weird funky taxi. That is a funky shaped taxi, and I will never use that on a layout because I don't like it. And I don't remember if I bought those stickers or they came in a kit or a warehouse box or what. I don't remember how they got into my stash. But I'm looking at them, and I don't think that they're from 2016. Maybe I got them in a kit or something, but they are not my choice of sticker. Like, I wouldn't have bought them. Does that make sense? So yeah, I'm going to use up this won't stay in the never ending kit. I'm going to use up what I think works, and then it's going to go. I'm going to get it out of there. And then I am going to go ahead and get my letters down. Now, I am going to Frankenstein up these last two letters, or no, just the last letter. So it says storage, and I have that puffy sticker up there that says best. I seem to be using these little green tile stickers like all the time right now. And of course, I'm going to use those again here. It's going to say best space storage, because that's what it is. It's the best space storage in Star Wars Land. Well, okay. Well, the layout is coming to an end, and the voiceover was kind of all over the place. But please go check out JoJo. She's awesome. I love her to bits. We've scrapbooked together multiple times. She's just a fun lady. So go check her out. Check out the playlist down below for everyone that is playing along with May I Scraplift You, created by my friend Crystal. And I will stop now. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.